Here on the WIX editor, you want to go to your left side of your screen and then click on this site design. After that, you want to click on this page background right here. And then on this page background window, you can just change your background image to any image. So for example, I want to change it to this one, this purple one, or just this person running. And there you go. You can also add your own image. So you want to go to right here on image and then click on upload media. And then after you upload your file, you can just choose your file and then click on change background at the bottom. And there you go. You can also change the color too right here if you click on the color and then also change it to the video. You can also apply it to other pages or even all the pages at once. To do it, you can just click right here on apply to other pages at the bottom and then just click on any pages that you want to have the same background, or you can just click on these all pages at once. And there you go. And don't forget to click on publish right here at the top right of your screen after you've done with all the changes, so your visitor can see the changes that you've just made. And that's how to add and change background image on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.